In this video, we will discuss the most important way of earning, that is Amazon FBA. This video include a comprehensive guide about Amazon FBA. If you are new on this channel, subscribe the channel, and watch the video till end. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service provided by Amazon that enables individuals and businesses to sell their products on the Amazon platform while leveraging Amazon's vast fulfillment network. With FBA, sellers can store their inventory in Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon takes care of the picking, packing, and shipping of the products to customers. This allows sellers to focus on other aspects of their business, such as product sourcing, marketing, customer service. Now we will discuss how Amazon FBA actually works. First is the product storage. Sellers send their products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, where they are stored until they are sold. Second is the order processing. When a customer places an order, Amazon picks, packs, and ships the product on behalf of the seller. Third is the customer service. Amazon handles customer inquiries, returns, and refunds, providing excellent customer support. Fourth one is the Prime eligibility. FBA products are eligible for Amazon Prime, which offers free and fast shipping to millions of Amazon Prime members. Now we will discuss the advantages of using Amazon FBA. First advantage is the fulfillment infrastructure. In this, Amazon has a robust logistics network, ensuring efficient storage, packing, and delivery of products. Next is Prime Badge. FBA products carry the Prime Badge, increasing visibility and trust among customers, leading to higher sales. The most important advantage of Amazon FBA is multi-channel fulfillment. FBA can fulfill orders not only from Amazon but also from other sales channels like your own website or other online marketplaces. Next is the global reach. FBA enables sellers to expand internationally by utilizing Amazon's global infrastructure for storage and shipping. And the last one is time and cost savings. Outsourcing fulfillment operations to Amazon saves sellers time, as they don't have to handle logistics, and reduces costs by eliminating the need for warehouses and staff. Next important section is the inventory management. In inventory management, Amazon helps in inventory placement. Amazon may distribute inventory across multiple fulfillment centers to optimize delivery speed and cost efficiency. In inventory replenishment, FBA provides tools and reports to help sellers monitor inventory levels and automatically replenish stock when needed. Next is the long-term storage fees. Amazon charges additional fees for products that have been stored in their warehouses for an extended period, encouraging sellers to manage their inventory effectively. Next we will discuss fees and pricing. First is the fulfillment fees. Amazon charges fees based on the size and weight of the products, as well as the distance they need to be shipped. Next is the storage fees. Sellers are billed for the storage space they utilize in Amazon's warehouses, which varies depending on the time of the year and product size. And in the last are the additional services. Amazon offers optional services like labeling, preparation, and removal of inventory for an additional fee. Now we will discuss what is FBA Seller Central. The Seller Dashboard. Amazon provides a centralized platform called Seller Central, where sellers can manage their inventory, pricing, promotions, shipping plans. Sellers create shipping plans in Seller Central, specifying the products they want to send to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Reporting and analytics. FBA provides various reports and analytics tools to help sellers track sales, inventory, and performance metrics. Now we will discuss what are the FBA restrictions and prohibited items. First of all, hazmat regulations. FBA has strict regulations on the storage and shipping of hazardous materials to ensure safety and compliance. Prohibited items. Certain items, such as weapons, illegal drugs, and perishable goods, are not eligible for FBA. FBM abbreviated as Fulfillment by Merchant. Now we will do comparison between FBA and FBM. FBA offers convenience and scalability but comes with fees, while FBM requires sellers to handle fulfillment but provides more control over the process. In choosing the right option, sellers need to evaluate their 1. Business needs, 2. Product characteristics, 3. Cost considerations to determine whether FBA or FBM is the best fit. Now we will discuss few tips of FBA success. Research and choose products with good demand, reasonable competition, and the potential for profitability. Competitive pricing. Analyze market trends and competition to set competitive prices that attract customers. Product packaging. Ensure that products are properly packaged to withstand transportation and storage in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Marketing and promotion. Leverage Amazon's advertising tools and marketing strategies to increase product visibility and sales. In conclusion, we say, Amazon FBA is a powerful program that provides sellers with a streamlined and efficient way to sell their products on the Amazon platform. And by leveraging Amazon's resources, sellers can focus on growing their businesses. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and share this video.